The time has finally come to get this thing fixed so that I can get it sold and get it out of my yard. It's been sitting back here for probably 2 years now. Got it fixed, and the first test ride I went on it dropped a cylinder or something. Motor was not happy about something, so we're gonna get it pulled out of here and start working on it so that we can get it fixed and get it out of here. First problem is I do not have the key to this. No idea where it's at. So, this is my jet ski. It's 2001 Yamaha GRP1200. Yeah, she broke. I bought it from a buddy of mine. He rebuilt the top end, new pistons, jugs, etc. I pulled the carbs off of it after I got it from him, had those rebuilt. We went through the oil injection system, made sure that was functioning properly, and just kind of tuned it up. We got some paint on it. We redid the seat cover, put some new HydroTurf in it. Got it looking pretty good and running great. First test drive out, about 45 minutes in, it dropped a cylinder and just locked the motor. So yeah, in this video we're going to pull the motor, find out why. A contortionist for some of this. Oh, there we go. All right, first piece out. Any more to go? Oh my gosh. That's the big stuff. Now we need to pull the carburetors off of here and get all of this stuff unplugged so we can pull the brain completely out of this thing. Whew. Boy, get this off here. That should come out cleanly. That guy off, maybe. Golly, fine. Be that way. So I think the fuel valve is, oh, maybe not. Now, the oil injection lines. How do I want to play this? This is gonna make a flipping mess. Just gonna take it off each carb here. Clean. Yep. Come on. 3 for 3. Oh, baby, talk to me. Okay, I think, oh crap, return line. And the carburetor valves are out, baby. So from looking at this, you can see oil down the center of each of these. Like you see oil pulled up in there. It's in there, it's in there. So the first time we took this apart, whichever cylinder my buddy said had dropped had no oil sitting in the carburetor. So this tells me it's not an oiling issue. The oiler's working fine. It's some other issue. We're gonna set them babies right there and keep digging on her. It's the longest stud in the world right here, folks. I mean, my gosh, how long is this thing? Oh my gosh, I can't get the resting part on it. Oh, it's out. All right. And there's crap on the bottom of this. Doggone it. Now what? Okay, motor is out. Probably took me about 2.5 hours to get this thing pulled. We're tearing this baby apart and seeing what's wrong with it. I did see, I rotated the engine, cylinder number 3 back here has something on it, like the 2 front pistons, they're super nice and clean. They got a little bit of oil or something on them. This has like black grease on it. Doesn't look great looking in the exhaust port. So we're gonna tear into it, figure out what the exact problem with this thing is. We're thinking of some bearings in the lower end, but blow it all apart, clean everything, get it all back together, put it back in so I can sell this and do literally anything else. Let's see what we got in here. I don't know how much that's supposed to move left and right, but it's doing it. Yeah, and like how much oil is actually supposed to be in the bottom of this thing? Because that seems aggressive to me. Okay, so it looks like we got some mega piston slap here. You can see the scoring on the edge of the cylinder there. If you look over here on the piston, you can see that that side there is skin up pretty dang bad. Flop her over, and then this side as well. I mean, you can feel, oh man, look at that. Golly. So if you look up in here, you can see how much play this has side to side, but I don't know why that is. Well, she's junk, boys. I talked with my good buddy Bryson that actually owns a boat repair, marine repair shop. He's actually the one that rebuilt these carburetors for me that have about 30 minutes on them. And I kind of sent him some pictures and videos and asked his opinion on it because he knows what he's talking about. And he said, yeah, I wouldn't just slap bearings in it. I would completely redo the whole thing because the trash from the piston, whatever's wrong with the bearings could have gotten in the rest of it, and more than likely you're going to rebuild it and you're just going to blow it up on the first test drive. Plus, the other factor is you can find them used for a little bit cheaper, but at that point it kind of feels like a gamble to me. But for me, I would want to go new. So a new jug and piston is about $450. The lower rod bearing, which definitely needs to be replaced as well, you can't find those for some reason. I don't know why. You can find the one at the wrist pin up top, but you can't find the lower one. You can buy the rod assembly that has the rod, 2 bearings, and the wrist pin, but it's $120 per rod. So right there alone, you're looking at, $500 plus, almost $600 worth of parts. Not worth it. So if any of y'all need parts for a 2000 model Yamaha GRP1200, check out Marketplace in the Charlotte, North Carolina area. Check out eBay store. I'll have that link down below. I'll have a lot of stuff posted on here. Moral of the story, these toys are expensive, and when they break, they're even more expensive to repair. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. I got some more cool stuff coming. If it ever stops raining, we're going to get to something cool outside. So get liked and subscribed. Stay tuned for that. Follow me on Instagram. I'll have all that linked down below and posted in the video. Just do it. Okay? I forgot about this crap. Dadgummit. What am I hung up on here? Just want to throw this right now. These little connectors here. These are check valves, not connectors. Hallelujah. Jug looks okay, but you can't find the lower one.